Andre, dude, that sounds badass.
Да, я знаю, мне нравится этот звук.
Wow, hey, good job, man. It's a clean setup. I'm really impressed.
Тебе нравится, да?
Yeah.
Но это было все легко. Я сделал аутсорс.
Did you say outsource? Did he say outsource?
Yeah, man, I think he said he outsourced it.
Dude, did you outsource it?
Да, я так сделал.
Project Pickup coming up next on the Fast Lane Car.
Друзья, я делаю аутсорс. Здесь холодно и мокро. Я сам не хочу это делать. Аутсорс.
Now, if you recall, last time Nathan and Andre unboxed a brand new aftermarket exhaust for this pickup from MBRP. And if you want to watch that video, check it out on
TFLcar.com.
And of course, we got that from
AutoAnything.com.
And Nathan, would you say this sounds better?
So good that I want to get under the hood and start playing.
Let's listen. Hey Nathan, guess what I've got? The magic wand of
love.
Of love. No, this is a decibel meter, and as you recall last time, what was it on the outside, Nathan?
At idle it was 78 decibels.
Hey Andre, start her up! Oh, check it out, my man, 82.1.
82.1.
What was it when you had it floored?
92.1.
All right, Andre, floor it! You know, that got up to about 92. Turn it off! That got up to about 92, but at full floorage, is that such a word?
Floorage.
Floorage, at full throttle, it's about the same.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
But of course, what we really care about...
Let's see how many cojones this thing put in there.
That's right. Let's see if it's faster, 0 to 60. All right, Nathan, here we go. Now, when we did this without the aftermarket exhaust, it was 9.8 seconds to 60, and our little decibel meter here read 73.6. So let's see if it's louder. It's already louder because I'm talking. So
yeah, you see, that's how quiet this truck was that time. We just shut everything down, make sure
everything's off.
Tow haul mode is off. Let's see.
We want the same exact setup.
The same, yeah,
right.
Same conditions.
Go for it, dude.
I didn't burp yet though, because I got to burp and actually get that burrito out of me that I had earlier. Should I
to
just
make it a little bit louder?
Yeah, I might knock off a pound. That was a big burrito.
No, but let's tell them that we're a mile above sea level, so it's going to be slower.
Should be a little bit slower. Okay, you guys ready?
Yep. Now be quiet because I got to use this. Go for it. And the verdict is, it is both louder and faster. So in terms of how loud it is, 83.1, so it is considerably louder, 10 decibels louder And in terms of speed, Nathan, read them the verdict.
One of my favorite numbers, 9.69.
So we dropped about from 9.8.
That's not bad though, considering, I mean, that's what makes the difference for some people, you know, 3/4 of a second. Hey, that's not bad.
And no, it's 1/4 of a second.
Less than 1/4 of a second.
Yeah.
Bad math.
But the sound is glorious, and I think at the end of the day, that's what counts. Well, Nathan, that was certainly surprising.
And you know what? It sounded really good doing it.
I think we can agree that if you want your truck to sound badass, you need an aftermarket exhaust.
Without a doubt.
As always, this is Roman and Nathan reporting for the Fastlane Car.
Tuner.
Oh, oh, nice hat.
I think that's Andre's way of telling us that we forgot something.
Yeah, the flash tuner. Give it a little bit more.
That's right. We've got the Diablo Flash Tuner. We did this before, and once again, you can check out that video on TFL Car. But now that we have the aftermarket exhaust, we have to see if we can get to go even faster.
Stay tuned
for that video coming up next time on the Fastlane Car. Let's go take this bad boy for a run, my man.
Yeah.
All right, go for it, dude. Soul deal is set up. It feels faster.
It certainly does.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing is feeling faster. I'm telling you.
Oh my God. Dude! That is incredible.